Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change display resolutions on your Mac. Let's get started without wasting any time. By the way, I'm using macOS Sonoma, which is the latest version of macOS. If you are using an older version, then the interface might be a little bit different. To change display resolution of MacBook Pro and Air, first click on Apple logo at the top right. A drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Choose System Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, find and click on Displays. So here, select the display you want to adjust. Click on Change Resolution. You can go to Advanced and turn on Show Resolutions as List and tap Done. Now, many resolutions formats will appear on your screen. Select the format which you want to use. That's all you have to do, and the display resolution will be changed on your Mac. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.